Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and take a look at every single one of the vehicles here. We got some jackass trying to park a trailer right here, but he can't really do that.
We're also we're gonna be trying to come on every car that's here.
Yeah, we're gonna come on every nut, man. Just you know what I'm saying?
Come on every car that's here. Starting now.
I drop my album.
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag I'ma blow through. I need some space in the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posting.
It's too early for this shit. I'm gonna be honest here. Cars and coffee, I'm at the gas station.
I haven't been here in a fucking year, man.
Yeah, I haven't been to a car show in a really long time.
This is the best one in fucking Arizona. Best one.
I want some exotic shit.
Dude, you're gonna see, there's like exotics everywhere, dude. So you guys are fucking on some cool shit. Okay.
Hold on.
Hey, y'all.
Put it in his mouth.
Y'all, chill, y'all. We are here at Cars and Coffee in Scottsdale, Arizona with these faggots. What's going on? Woo!
What's going on today, guys?
So I'm gonna put my dick out
get
in that
started.
drone.
You won't.
Blades.
Drone.
You won't.
You Jesus Christ.
2 GTRs right? Oh my god.
Where are we starting?
I got it. Oh my god.
This is awesome, huh? Great early start to the morning. Being here at Cars and Coffee. This is awesome, huh? It is surprisingly very packed. This is my first time being to a Cars and Coffee just because I don't wake up. That's the issue. How do you feel? Hey man, I feel the same, but happy birthday.
Oh shit, yeah, it's my birthday. I'm here at Cars and Coffee on my birthday.
Dude, you gonna see this shit for your birthday?
What is this, bro? A Murcielago?
Murcielago gated manual, bro.
Oh my god.
One of 6 million in the world.
Only 6 million? There's just so much to look at.
Wow! Oh my god! Guys, drop an eggplant in the comment section if you guys do like yeah. Drop an eggplant. I couldn't finish it, bro.
In the comment section.
On my chest.
Drop some peaches for my fans.
Bro, I'm public indecency, bro.
Wait! No! Dude, stop. My mom watches these. Dude, that is not like worthy, okay? I'm not dropping a like because of that. This man really locked down the hustle plate. No wonder I couldn't get that damn thing. This is fucking bullshit, man.
They got the dog
It's
out.
bullshit.
I fit in very well here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm incognito mode, honestly. You see that right there? Yeah. That's me. That's me.
What the fuck you saying, man? Bro, I don't know what's going on here, but there's a lot of cars, there's a lot of coffee, and there's a lot of people. So, you know, we're out here.
We're getting this party started, baby.
We are out here.
Let's see what cars we can spot out here. Ooh, I don't know. I just found an R8.
Feeling a little good about this one. This one's a little nice. I'm about to show you the price. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Ooh.
That is too cold. This is too cold, bro. This is just too cold. Look at that, dude. Yo. Oh my god. Clean Bronco.
What the hell is that?
What the hell? I don't know. Actually, a great question. Look at that thing. Yo, y'all let me know what that is down in the comments, please. Thank you. Yo, rep Cars and Coffee, dude. You think I'm straight?
Cars and cock?
What?
Cars and bitches.
Alright, let me go get a picture of the
That
Porsche,
one was
and then-
questionable.
Dude's back.
It's getting to the point where I'm just gonna start fucking the population. So,
What?
Yeah, facts.
okay, it's not even that luxurious, bro. Be honest here.
I feel like if I'm drunk, I would get sicker in here.
Yeah.
I would get
Like,
sick.
bro, this is making me feel like I'm in a BMW.
And that sex, I wouldn't have sex.
What? You lied to me. You lied to me, bro. It's the bitches.
Listen to this stupid ass nigga in the back of my video. Get you a bitch right here.
Yeah, that Young Thug video, and he's just like, this would be a pretty nice place to fuck.
Let's get you a nice little pretty bitch.
Bro, hold this real quick. What are you doing? Whoa! Bro, this music right now?
No, I think you know I gotta take a picture of the Cadillac.
Yeah, the Avalanche, right? Or no, sorry.
Now we got the bi-turbo.
There's a
GTR. With the top cut off.
$20,000.
It's topless.
To be honest, you know, so I didn't end up buying this one, but you know, maybe next time if they have something else in
I
stock.
didn't get this one because I didn't like the seats. I just didn't. Seats didn't really mesh with my blackness.
I didn't like how
He didn't blend in well enough.
I didn't like how there wasn't any gold plating on the dash, so like I just had to pass this one up. So.
Oh, damn.
I'm out here walking by myself because everybody out here is too busy taking reels and videos of goddamn high-class cars. We're trying to vlog out here. How the hell are we getting content?
Yeah, you know what, dude? You know what, dude?
I could personally never ride bitch. That's not something I could do. Oh,
Dude, why? Dude,
No,
honestly,
no.
why are you doing
He rides bike.
that? Yeah,
Sometimes he
he
likes
would
to
love to
enjoy
ride bitch on my bike. right?
That was whoa. Come on now. Yo, that's pretty freaking sick. Pretty freaking sick. Currently, I am lost. I have lost everybody I came with. So we are gonna go on a solo roll through all the vehicles and just chillax and see what we got popping. Because at the end of the day, I'm the one that should be vlogging. We getting content. So far, pretty dope. I have yet to get coffee for myself, which is a bummer because coffee would definitely be uprising the situation a little bit. I have not gotten a lot of sleep the past week, so coffee would definitely wake me up. But I'm really not feeling it. I don't know where I'm gonna find coffee, but we're in the classic side of things now, it looks like. Whew! Pretty dope section. We're just gonna keep walking until we find some friends, you know? This is another reason why I say I want a Supra. This gives me the urge to go ahead and just buy one for the hell of it. Just look at this. Look at this behind. Like, that is freaking insane, y'all. I'm definitely thinking about it because if I buy a new car, regardless of all the cars I have already, if I buy a brand new car, it's definitely going to be a Supra. Just because I love how they look and they look insanely wild when they're modified.
Found it!
Finally found y'all. What the hell, man?
No, bro.
I've been being solo for a little bit, you know?
I tried calling you. I tried calling you and you didn't fucking pick up, so that's
Man, I'm recording. I ain't paying attention to all that, man. Come on.
alright.
Come on. Realistically, I can't hear myself think, bro. Can y'all hear me? I'm trying to talk to y'all.
For some reason, I gotta get a picture of that sign.
Yo, get them angles, bro. Get them angles, bro. Get them angles, bro. Get them angles, bro. Get them.
Bro, you have to hold a pose.
Act like a goddamn tree right now, bro. Like,
I'm like, I can't get a picture of that.
he's like gang on him.
Work it. Hold on.
Whoa. Sorry. Yeah, hey.
Yes, sir.
Get it.
Bah, dude.
Oh, no way. Yeah. Get it. Get it. You have a jolly good car. Oh, I need to record all the cars at this car show. I need to record every single one. I know exceptions. Some shit's about to go down. Some shit is about to go down. Jolly day, sir.
Good God, man. What's that, Ferrari?
God. Oh my God. Is that really a Ferrari? My. No way, man. That is a freaking Ferrari. Is that Ferrari? That is a freaking Ferrari, man. Dude, what would it cost for me to marry you?
Alright. Get a picture of me putting my dick in his face.
He said, y'all think I was funny? How about astronaut?
What? What'd you say?
You know what I think is the funniest thing in the world? Staring into somebody's eyes while doing dumb shit. I'll tell you this much. Break out the Matrix and you get to enjoy your Saturdays.
I made it out. I made it out.
We are now in North Scottsdale at the Foothills Car Show. It is outrageously packed right now, but we got a lot of dope cars we're gonna go see. Chill, hang out by the lake. Do we consider this a lake?
It is, yeah.
What else would this be?
A body of water.
A pond.
This is definitely bigger than a pond.
A what? Whoa, man.
What? What did you say?
My girlfriend wouldn't approve of this, right?
Your language is a little too outrageous right now.
Right now? Yep. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, cuz! I'm about to rear end you.
Corvette.
Put him in a band like that.
Okay, dude. If you bring up the solstice one more
Bro, who has a ring camera on one of these porta potties?
It's someone's phone.
Oh.
at their house.
Oh. Dang.
Oh. She's excited.
That's crazy. Imagine like,
excited.
you know, just running and then putting your butt on that.
Yo, imagine
putting your butthole on it.
What?
Letting it clean you out.
I think it'd do a lot more than just clean you out, man.
It'll destroy you from the inside out. It'll fill you up with water.
Fill you up from the behind. God, breaking news. They disappeared. They're gone.
The intrusive thought almost won. I was gonna be like, I mean, you.
This is a what?
One hell of a car show, technically speaking, huh? Dude, there's helicopters. I'm running to the helicopters, man. I'm running to them.
You gotta take it to the helipad. We might have discovered.
On the way to the choppers. Hey, we'll get to the chopper.
U.S. Army. I really almost ran into the blade.
Dude, helicopter.
Like, oh, what they got a V8 in it?
No, I think it's a 12V.
Can you say that again?
Drives that?
Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. We are done with the major car vibes out here in North Scottsdale. It's been a crazy day, a lot of cool cars to be seen, a lot of cool people to talk to, and a lot of water bouncing everywhere. So very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe. But it's been your boy Zeph Cruz. And y'all have a good one. Adios.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**.